Deciding whether to repair or replace your garage door can feel overwhelming and daunting for homeowners in Dallas, Texas. Your garage door is more than just a barrier. It provides security, efficiency, and enhances your home's aesthetic appeal. In many cases, pursuing garage door repair is a practical choice, especially when issues are minor and manageable. Repairing small dents or minor cosmetic damages can breathe new life into your existing garage door without breaking the bank. However, if your garage door is sagging or has multiple extensive damages, a replacement might be the safest option. When it comes to an aged door, closer to its lifespan, a replacement could prove to be more cost-effective long-term. Even the best garage doors can require regular maintenance to function optimally and ensure your investment lasts. In Dallas, fluctuating weather conditions can wear down garage doors, making timely repairs essential to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Common issues like misalignment or worn-out sensors can often be repaired instead of incurring the cost of a full replacement. Ultimately, whether repairing or replacing, professional assessment is key to ensuring the safety and longevity of your garage door.